welcome back to Risa Does Makeup. A couple of months ago, I partnered with FabFitFun to bring you the contents of my winter editor's box. And if you saw that video, you know how excited I was about everything that was in that box. And now FabFitFun has just released their spring box. And so I'm here today to show you what is in my box. To be totally honest with you, for the longest time, I really wasn't on board with a lot of subscription boxes. I had signed up for a couple and I always ended up canceling because I was just pretty unimpressed. What I love about FabFitFun and the reason why I am so excited to be working with them again, partnering with them again to show you the contents of my box is because I really believe that this is an awesome subscription box and it's definitely worth the money. It's $49.99 per box, but I do have a promo code for you where you can get $10 off your first box. The promo code is really simple. It's just Risa, and you will get a new box every season. And as I stated, they're $49.99 each, but they are always going to have a value of at least $200. And you're not getting samples, you're getting real full-size products. And I just think it's a great way to try new things. And it's like a gift to yourself every few months. I don't know about you, but I love getting things in the mail, especially when I know that it's going to be full-size beauty products or hair products or skin products or some sort of new tool that I have been wanting to try. In my editor's box, there was this loofah kind of sponge that had cleanser inside of it, and it smelled so amazing, and I never used anything like that before, and I have already repurchased that. And the blanket that came in there, I used it yesterday when I was editing a video. It was cold. I wrapped it around my shoulders. It's just really useful stuff. So I'm really excited to be working with FabFitFun again. So let's dive right into what is in my box. So inside the box is the FabFitFun magazine, and this has Venus Williams on the cover. And in this magazine, you can see what the product options were for each box. You can also find, in this particular magazine, you can find some recipes. Let's see, antipasto salad, chocolate hazelnut drop cookies. I might be making those. So the other thing that is right on top here, besides the magazine, is a $50 gift card to HelloFresh. All right. Woo. Okay. I am seeing a full-size Way hair care product. And a lot of you know how much I love my Way texturizing spray and my Way hair oil and my Way matte pomade. And this is the Way leave-in conditioner, a multitasking leave-in that works all day to smooth, soften, and detangle hair. I'm so excited to try this. Next is a jump rope. This one is created by Venus Williams. I'm not gonna lie, my initial thought is a jump rope? I need to do cardio now. But I do cardio 2 to 3 times a week, and honestly, over the past couple years, I've been wanting to have a jump rope. And this one is actually really cute. It's purple with some gray handles. There's a chance I'll use this. There's a chance. The Sip by Swell bottle. I am so excited to have this because the water bottle that I take to my Orange Theory class is like not great. And I have heard really good things about these Swell bottles. So. Next up is the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Visibly reduces the look of under eye bags and dark circles. All right, this is speaking to me because I have dark circles and I have under eye bags. The under eye bags aren't too bad, but I definitely have dark circles, and I am definitely gonna be using this, and we'll update you guys. If I love it, you'll see it in an upcoming monthly favorites video. I have used some Dr. Brandt products in the past, and if I recall correctly, I did really like them. I think it's a great quality brand. Oh, and it's like a little squeeze tube. All right, what else? What is this? Oh, it's what's like a tote. Let's see. Oh, that's cute. This is great. This would be great to take when I go hiking. It's like a little backpack. Oh, does it match my water bottle? Not quite. They're different shades of navy, but did I already mention this? It has adjustable straps. I don't have anything like this, so this is a really good thing to have. So there are 3 more things in my box. This is something from a brand called Sunny Life. What are you? I live in Las Vegas where it's sunny almost all the time, so Sunny Life sounds like something I could use. Oh, this is so cute. It's like a little picnic setup. Yep, it's got 2 plates and 2 sets of utensils. Also a great thing to have because my family does go to the beach quite often. We're only about a 4-hour drive to the beaches in California, or we go to Lake Havasu a lot, which is in Arizona. Well, actually, parts of it are Arizona, parts of it are California. And Nevada, or just Arizona and California. And I'm just gonna take the final 2 things out so I can put the box down. And this is a body lotion from a brand called Livido, inspired by nature. Mandarin, orange, and bergamot. And it's for all skin types. It's hydrating, nourishing, and protecting. And I can always use a good body cream, especially one that smells good. Oh, I gotta open up the seal because I need to smell this. It sounds like it's gonna be amazing. Let's see. This smells so good. And now for the last item in my box, this is a champagne charcoal scrub from Monica Jar. Oh, Monica Jar. I love her compact powder. I've been using it as under eye brightener for a long, long time. Another thing I really like about FabFitFun is that the brands that they put in their boxes are predominantly woman owned. And I think that's really, really cool. This is perfect timing because I just ran out of the other scrub that I've been using. So let's open this. It looks like charcoal. It doesn't look very good, but it smells fantastic. So that's it, guys. I am really excited about my box. I've got a new scrub, I've got a new lotion, I've got something that's gonna get rid of my dark circles, hopefully, and puffiness. This, as I mentioned, is going with me to work out 2 to 3 times a week. So excited to try this. The bag is adorable, as is this little plate and utensil set. I know a lot of you are doubting that I'm actually gonna use this, but I'm gonna give it a try. I don't know if I remember how to use a jump rope, but I imagine it's like riding a bike, that it just kind of comes back to you. We'll see. Anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this unboxing. And as I mentioned in the beginning, if you would like to sign up for FabFitFun and get a great box valued at over $200 every season for only $49.99, you can use my code Risa and get $10 off your first box. Everything you need to know will be in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button. If you'd like, you can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter and Pinterest. Everything is the same name. It's all Risa Does Makeup. Once more, thank you all so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon.